I don't know if you guys can see the holes there, but you could put your drill bits in there. Super cute. Little drill bit area. And then back here, you can probably put brushes. You can put buffers. You can put files. So if I have cat hair on me, that was from my cat that I was just holding before I started the video, actually, and I forgot. So I'm just letting y'all know that. Hey Glam fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be talking about all of the things I have purchased from Shein as a licensed nail technician. So I have a lot of products here. I got this and we got this. I actually already took the stuff out of this bag because I was showing y'all on live. They're gonna put a lot of stuff in here. So I'm not going to do this in any order or anything like that. I am just trying to inform you guys of what the journey is like becoming a nail tech. So I just needed a few things. So I ordered them from Shein. I will link all the products below if you guys are interested in them. And I will also link other products below, like the makeup I'm using, my press-on nails that you guys can purchase. They're still on my website for 50% off until February 28th. Hopefully I upload this before February 28th because the way I am and the way my storage is, sometimes I don't upload stuff in time. I am so sorry. And I'm looking at myself on my monitor. So if I keep looking up to the right, that is because I'm making sure I am in frame. And let's get started. So I bought some lint-free wipes. I got them in pink. Pink is my favorite color, y'all. So these are just some lint-free wipes when I wipe off the nails so that no dust or anything gets stuck to them. So I purchased these. There's a bunch of knickknacks, okay? We just gonna go through the knickknacks. Okay, this is in a separate box. Oh, so this is like, I guess, glitter dust. Why is it? It's only half of it. I'm about to say it's open. Yeah, this is like a dust, y'all. This is like a white dust that I guess you can put over the nail when you decorate. Can y'all see that? Anyway, this is what it looks like. I could design nails with this. Let's put that to the side. Now, this is the case that you would use. I seen somebody use this, and I was like, "Ooh, I gotta get that," because I'm tired of scraping up the. What's my cat doing? I'm tired of scraping up the product. This is, I don't even know what this is called, but this is what the tray looks like. It comes out. Y'all, hold on. Give me a second. And you want to pour it onto the nail, design it. This will collect the remaining product, and then you just take this out and you can put it right back into the jar. So I thought that was cute. And it looks like they have two of them, so you can do it two different times. I think that's cute. So, and it's convenient. So I got this from Shein. Everything is going to be linked below, like I said earlier. Guys, look how cute this is. This is like a little container to hold um, your product. I could have probably made this though from the dollar store. I ain't gonna lie. I could have got me a tray from the dollar store like this, and I probably could have just put these little stickers on, but not for nothing. It does look secure. Oh, look how pretty it looks online. Look how cute this is. Now I could put like my brushes, I could put my nail drill, all that good stuff in here. I actually do have my nail drill right here. Let's see how it looks if I was to put the nail drill inside. Let's see. I mean, the nail drill does have a stand. I do have a stand, but I think I broke it. Or maybe I just didn't put it on right. I don't know. But let's just see how this looks, y'all. The nail drill in it. Okay, it fit. You could put all types of products in here. There's also like this area here where you can put your drill bits. And then back here, you can probably put brushes. You can put buffers. You can put files. There's some nail files right here. Stick those in there. You know, convenient. Ew. Ew. This is so cute. I like it. It's back in the box because it's taking up a lot of space. And it's clear at the bottom. And it's has the rhinestones all around it. I love that. You know that's my style. They have it in black, pink, and clear. So I got the pink one. Everything so far right now is pink. Wait, what is this? This came in. Let's see what this is. I can't even remember everything I bought. Oh, this is like this it's a glitter. I don't want to open it. I'm scared. But it's like a glitter. Oh, let me see. I am still scared though, but yeah, this is a cute glitter that you can design the nails with. So I think I got these in like 6 different shades. So let me see. I'm going to link everything below. So when you guys click on it, you'll know exactly what it is. And I'm going to link it in order of the video. Oh, look at this rose gold one. There's like a rose gold pink one. There's a purple one. Super cute. I love that. Hold on, let's look at all the colors, guys. So we got green, purple, pink. This one is like another pink. Oh, okay, this is like a rose gold pink. This is more of a pink. So this is like a gold pink. Another light green. Ooh, that's pretty. And then there's like a brown. Ooh, I love this. Beautiful. Definitely gonna use this on clients. Bella! So now this is the bag. We're gonna open up this bag and see. Now I feel like I ordered a armrest. I don't see the armrest. It's like, where is it? Where is the armrest? With some scissors, 'cause I will not. I'm breaking my nails. Ooh, guys, we got so many gems in here. Oh my god, I've been needing tiny gems. Okay, I think I'm gonna put these back into this bag because it's a lot of stuff. And I do have a bag for these things, but oh my god, look how Jesus. I can't see myself. I need to see. Guys, look how pretty this is. This is all bowls. We have black bowls, silver bowls, rose gold, gold, silver, gold. I said the same thing. So this is like a bunch of bowls. Can y'all see those bowls? Super cute. Okay, that's better. Look at those bowls. I love that. I love bowls, okay? I have a lot of bowls. Oh, I'm like, there's nothing in here. Okay, I must have got this so that I can put, different jewels and gems inside of it. It's like a container. I'm not sure how much this was, but this is like a container that I got. This, ooh, I needed tiny, tiny gems. And these are even tinier than what I thought. I needed tiny gems when I designed nail art. So look how tiny they are. Super pretty. I got them in silver and pink oh, this is just silver and pink. This is two silver rolls, two pink rolls. There's stars, there's hearts in here, butterflies. There's like a rectangle, a moon, a bow, diamonds, ovals, triangles. Like that's like the shape. A square I see. Super cute. Super cute. And then this is also a tool that helps you pick up those things here. I should have got tape, y'all. That's what I can't find. I had this tape. Guys, I got a lot of stuff. This is like a container to help with liquid. All you got to do is just press the top of it and that liquid will come out. Like you don't have to pour it. You just press on it. So this helps when I do like nail cleanup. I could put acetone in here. I could put alcohol in here. You just push the top down and the product sits at the top here and you can utilize it. You don't have to pour the product out to use it. So you need this usually when you're working with products. So I got me a little one. Well, I got me one. I didn't know it was this little. I thought it would be bigger, but I guess that's how they have it. Okay, I got me some flowers, like sticker flowers. Super cute. Super cute sticker flowers. Oh, guys, I got me some blue gems. Look at how cute those blue gems are. They come in different shapes: square, triangle, circle, oval. I'm about to say circle again. There's this other shape I can't really name, but super cute. What is this? Guys, we got to open this. That's hot. Oh, this is where it says Libra, Virgo, Sagittarius, Aries. Let me show you one close up because it's super cute. So I have them in gold and I have them in silver. Okay, I got two of them. So I would pull out Aries because that is my sign. And if you're an Aries as well, like and subscribe, y'all. Because you know why? We're the first sign in the zodiac, y'all. Wait, why does the Sagittarius one look like it has black stuff on it? I don't know why it looks like that, but I don't like it. I think I have to clean it off. Is this Aries? Oh, that's Capricorn. Y'all, I'm going to get up and show you closer. There it goes. That says Aquarius. Super cute. This is Aries. It's our sign, y'all. You need to focus. There it goes. Y'all see how it says Aries? It's a little backwards, but that's Aries. You could put these on the nail. So I figured that people will probably really love these for their birthday. This is how big they are. You got Pisces, Capricorn, all of those in there. They're super cute. And then we also have the same ones, but they are in silver. So I'm just showing you the ones in gold and just imagine them in silver. Virgo's in there, all the signs. Now, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you or informative, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will create more nail tech videos. It looks like this video was just about a lot of little arts and designs pieces for nails that I purchased from Shein that you can decorate your nails with, or you can decorate clients' nails with. And I will link everything below. I'm trying to think of what else to say. I feel like I have so much to say and I never say it. Like when I'm editing the video, that's when I realize that I didn't say this, I didn't say that, I didn't say this. But it's okay. I can always say it next time. But just know that there's a few things that I probably wanted to say in this video that I forgot to say. And if you're thinking of that thing, just comment below and let me know, because I probably thought of it too while I was editing and I forgot to tell you. But that is it for right now. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, you matter and everything will be okay, even if you don't know it yet. Later. I'm gonna try a new makeup look. I don't know how I like it, but I told myself that I'm still gonna film even though I'm not like with it. Or anyways, besides the makeup is besides the point.